Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Where are you from? I am from India. How old are you? I am 20 years old. What do you do? I am a student. Are you happy today? Yes, I am happy. How was your day? My day was good. Do do you speak English? Yes, a little. Do you like English? Yes, I like English. Can you help me? Yes, I can help. Are you busy? No, I am free. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Are you tired? Yes, a little tired. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. Do you like sports? Yes, I like football. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love traveling. Do you have friends? Yes, I have many friends. Do you like learning? Yes, I like learning. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 o'clock. Do you brush your teeth? Yes, every day. Do you wash your face? Yes, I do. Do you take a bath? Yes, I take a bath. Do you eat breakfast? Yes, I eat breakfast. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat bread and eggs. Do you go to school? Yes, I go to school. How do you go to school? I go by bus. Do you like your school? Yes, I like it. Who is your best friend? My best friend is John. Do you do homework? Yes, I do homework. Do you study English every day? Yes, I study daily. Do you play games? Yes, I play games. What is your favorite game? My favorite game is cricket. Do you help at home? Yes, I help my mother. Do you clean your room? Yes, I clean it. Do you watch TV? Yes, in the evening. Do you use a phone? Yes, I use a phone. Do you like YouTube? Yes, I like YouTube. Do you read books? Yes, I read books. Do you like stories? Yes, I love stories. Do you write every day? Yes, I write daily. Do you like drawing? Yes, I like drawing. Do you drink tea? Yes, I drink tea. Do you dance? Yes, I like dancing. Do you drink coffee? Yes, sometimes. Do you drink milk? Yes, every day. Do you like fruit? Yes, I like fruit. Do you like mangoes? Yes, I love mangoes. Do you like rice? Yes, I eat rice.